Welcome to MathZip. Today we are simplify two math. First one, here is given 2x minus 4y equals to 3. We have to find out the value of 16 to the power x divide 256 to the power y. So first one, 16 to the power x. So this one, once we simplify, we can write 2 to the power 4 and x. It means 2 to the power 4x. And 256, what can we do? 256, we can divide by 2. So here is 128, divide by 2. So here is 64. Again divide by 2, 32, divide by 2. Here is 16, divide by 2, 8, divide by 2, 4, again divide by 2, here is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 2 to the power 8 and here is y. Now look, here base are same, 2 and 2. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m divide a to the power n. We can write a to the power m minus n. It means once base are same, that time in division power will be subtract. Similar here base are same, which is 2, so we can write 4x minus 8y. So till we didn't get our achievement, here is 2x minus 4y equals to 3. So what can we do? We can 2 to the power, here is 4x plus minus 8y, we can take common 2. So here is 2x minus 4y. Now look, 2 to the power 2 times this 2x minus 4y, we can write 3, right? So 3. Inside note we can write 2x minus 4y equals to 3 has given, right? Now look, 2 to the power 2 times 3 is a 6. So 2 to the power 6 means what? 64. This is our answer. Very simple. So once you see these kinds of math, no need to worry, just try to solve step by step. Number 2, here is also similar thing. The question is 5 to the power 4 to the power x equals to 5 to the power 64. So look, here base both side 5. We know once base are same, that time power will be equal. It means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. We can write m equals to n. Similar, here 5 to the power 4 to the power x and 5 to the power 64. So 5 and 5 base are same, that time we can write 4 to the power x equals to 64. Now 4 to the power x against this 64, we can write 4 to the power 3. How? Because 4 times 4 times 4 equals to 64. Now again base are same, so we can write x equals to 3. So this 3 is our answer. So very simple way we are trying to solve these two math, which is very important for Olympiad or any kinds of competitive examination. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathZip. I hope by this channel you will learn lots of things. So no more today, keep practice. Thank you.